Simplify the radical below. Which of the following is the radical in simplest form? So 50 is not a perfect square number, so I can't just take the square root of it. What I do instead is ask myself, are there any perfect square numbers that divide into 25? So you should have a mental list of the square numbers: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. That's the first 10. Let's ask ourselves if any of these divide evenly into 50. And yes, 25 does. So I'm going to rewrite 50 as the square root of 25 times 2. And then that means I can break that square root of a product into the product of square roots. So square root of 25 times square root of 2. Square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 2 can't be simplified anymore. That is option A, 5 square roots of 2.